Hello and welcome back to setting up our Kali. If you've installed the Kali on VirtualBox and you have this screen size, don't worry, you're about to fix it in this video. So let's log into our Kali. We want to correct the screen size and make sure that it fills the entire screen or it fills the window. Okay, so click on devices. Let's click on insert additions. When you do that, you will see this. So click on open. Okay. Now we will need to make this file something that you can run. And this also something that you can run. So we are going to make a few changes to these files in terminal. When I say terminal, I mean this icon with the dollar symbol on it. So click on it to open it. Okay, so to make it quite easier for us, let's close this terminal. Right click in the window here. We say open terminal here. Okay. So now we input this command in order to make the file we're going to run an executable, or in Linux terms, a binary. So I would type, okay, so I'll do this chmod. So chmod 755 VBox additions. Okay. So minus additions. Press enter. So we don't have the permission, so let's add sudo. So type your password. Okay. So now let's run it. Say sudo sh. Let's run this file. VBox minus the run. Press enter. You want to continue? Yes. So we are done installing, and now let's reboot our system. Type reboot. Wait for the system to reboot, and then we will have our Windows set. So I still have it as a small window. Let's log in. Don't worry. Fix it. Okay. Now that we've installed it, all we have to do, let's turn it off. Let's shut it down. Go make a small change, and then so we've powered it off. Let's make a change here so that we would now see it as a big screen. Let's go to display, change this, yes, to VBox SVGA. Okay. And start. You can also just change it to VBox VGA, and this would work for you. So this is how to change the resolution, just in case you installed it and the resolution was the screen was too small for you.